In this video, I'm going to show you the solution I found to safely and precisely cut off rust from a classic BMW. Initially, I bought a 5-inch angle grinder. I returned it as I felt it was too dangerous and not precise enough. Ultimately, I found the $79 rotary tool by Ryobi, along with a $22 Dremel cutting disc set. This tool worked great for my application, which is cutting off rusty sheet metal to make room for a fiberglass patch repair. Your exact needs may be different, but this tool worked great for me in this application, and most importantly, I felt safe and confident using it. Always use safety gear when working on a project like this: eye, ear, and face protection. One very useful feature of this tool is the infinitely adjustable speed, controlled by this knob. Cheaper tools may only have an on or off switch with no ability to control the speed, and being able to control the speed really made this work a lot easier. The rotary tool is currently $79, and the cutting disc set is about $22. You'll also need safety gear to protect yourself. The metal cutting disc set from Dremel comes with a special easy lock bit that's compatible with the rotary tool. I used about 5 or 6 discs for all of this work. And now I'll stop talking so you can just watch and hopefully learn something from my experience here cutting rust from the car. Once the rust was totally gone, I patched and sculpted the areas with a very strong fiberglass and a lightweight body filler. And here's the final result after some filler and primer. As always, if this video was interesting or helpful, please subscribe, click that like button, and let me know in the comments below what you thought.